Hi there, Danielle from Back to Life Bodyworks here. I just wanted to take a moment and share with you why I'm so passionate about sharing Melt and why it's so personal to me. I came to Melt out of personal necessity. At that time, I had been a massage therapist for just over 10 years. And from the repetition of my job and the active lifestyle that I've lived pretty much my whole entire life, it was starting to catch up with me. So I had aches and pains in my joints, especially my lower back. I went from one summer riding my bike 30 miles at a time to the following summer walking half a mile before it really started to scream at me. And getting ready to turn 30, feeling like you're about to be 90, it just wasn't cutting it for me. So I began to just tinker around with some of the very simple techniques, and within 3 weeks, the pain that I'd struggled with for 6 months was entirely gone. And when I find something that works that well for myself, I want to share it with as many people as I can. In the time since I first found the Melt method, I've gone on to become an advanced instructor. It's totally changed my entire career path. Rather than people coming to me and relying on my hands to get them out of pain or improve their athletic performance, they come to me and they learn techniques so that they can do it themselves. So basically they're able to give themselves a massage anytime that they want. There's so many different applications for Melt. That's one of the things that makes it so exciting and enjoyable and always changing and different. From improving your athletic performance, preventing injury, addressing injuries. There have been people who have come to me and have been able to avoid surgeries like carpal tunnel or back surgery. I teach on-site at different companies, so whether it's stress reduction for their employees or avoiding some of the repetitive motion injuries. I've worked with women to support them through their pregnancy and a recovery after birth. I've worked with people who are starting to get a little advanced in age and want to slow down the aging process. They want to reverse some of the compression in their joints so that they can stay active and healthy no matter what decade they're working on. Additionally, Melt can help improve sleep and digestion, strengthen your metabolism and immune system, improve your body's efficiency and increase energy, boost your body's healing potential, and decelerate the aging process. For the Melt techniques, we use tools that were designed specifically for Melt. Based on the latest connective tissue research, they're actually finding that connective tissue has a protective response. So if you go in too deep, too fast, like with traditional foam rollers, you're actually perpetuating inflammation, you're stalling out the healing process, and basically creating a lot of stress in your body and your nervous system. So you want to start out slowly, and the gentle approach is kind of the way to go. Connective tissue supports, surrounds, and protects literally everything from your skin to your bones. So it supports your muscles, it surrounds your joints, it protects your organs, your nervous system, your cardiovascular system. It literally influences every system of the body. So definitely an important and integrative system. Now, as fascinating as it may have been to watch me talk about all these techniques and the science behind it, it's a heck of a lot more fun to try for yourself. The magic really is in feeling the changes that a little bit of self-care can make for you and your body. And that's why I'm so excited to announce that we're offering free lunch and learns in January. So you can encourage your employees to take a proactive approach to self-care, stress relief, pain relief, injury prevention, and improving the results of their exercise programs. If you have any questions or wish to learn more about the Melt method, please visit our website at www.backtolifebodyworks.com.